So why is it really important for educators to understand polyvagal theory and neuroscience of epigenetics and neuroscience? The reason is because this really helps us to understand that this is an automatic response that the kids that we work with are having. Okay, so when we see a behavior that's puzzling or maybe aggravating or annoying, we can begin to understand with our grounded awareness in science why that kid is having that response. And furthermore, we can understand that that response is not a choice. That response is an automatic response. A student who is experiencing toxic stress or trauma has a lot of experiences of fear and shame. And very often when we see puzzling behaviors in kids, we want to respond to them with punishments, which then perpetuate that experience of fear and shame. But once we understand the science behind those behaviors, what are the unmet needs behind those behaviors, we then have hope. We can reverse and create new experiences of connection and belonging and awareness that help that student transform that experience of trauma and shame into one of resilience. And that is the work that we're so passionate about here.